Hey everybody, it's Rob here, and in this quick video I'm going to show you what it means to be an Amazon associate and how it works. So if you've been looking to make money online, you've probably heard of the term associates, affiliates, or Amazon affiliates. Basically what an affiliate is, it's when you refer someone to a website and then they buy it, you get a commission. Amazon has millions of products. So you can become an Amazon associate for free, or an Amazon affiliate. Their term is associate. You can become one for free and start making money online by referring people to Amazon. When they go through your special link, you'll get these little special links, and you can link to anything on Amazon. You can even link straight to the Amazon homepage. If they buy something within 24 hours, you'll make money. You post up a link somewhere, or a picture with a link behind it, or you do a product review, or you recommend a product, and they click it and head over to Amazon. If they buy anything on Amazon, it doesn't even have to be the thing you referred them to, you'll make money from it. You can make anywhere from 4% to 15%. Usually the more products you sell, the higher the percentage will get. Some products are different. They're capped at a certain percent, such as cameras or electronic products. You may only get 4%. It's pretty simple. You'll start noticing these links everywhere. I'll show you right here an example of an affiliate link in a blog post. It's usually when there's a little blue clickable link. Just say, check this out on Amazon. Or you see an Amazon banner on the side of a website, or you're looking at a review and they link to Amazon, and you click it. If you buy anything on Amazon, then that person who referred you will get the commission. Anything on Amazon. That's what's so great about Amazon associates compared to other things. Amazon is really good at getting people to buy stuff once they're on their website. So if you send someone to the website, they buy something, you get the commission. Really easy. It's really simple. Anybody can sign up. It's free to sign up. You can subscribe to this channel, and I'll give you all the information I know about everything I know. This is my blog. This is going to be my video blog, and this is the first video I've made. So thanks for watching, and take it easy, guys. Peace.